Comrades, our Union, an affectionate and bountiful mother. Your presence here in such large number of this momentous day is proof of it. The State Bank of India Staff Union Amravati Circle is privileged to extend a hearty and warm welcome to all of you on behalf of our President, Comrade G.V. Ramana, General Secretary, Comrade L. Chandrasekhar. Your attendance on this significant day proved that militancy and unity is extremely dear to your heart. Comrades, in earlier occasions, we have been enlightening about our union. On this significant day, there is an imperative need and responsibility on us to ruminate over the history of our federation briefly. This history is replete in the episodes of struggles, sacrifices made by our predecessors to clinch the battle against the cruel and heartless management not only in independent India but also about the pre-independent imperialistic period. Comrades, it is our responsibility and know the facts about such events and such great leaders who have suffered for themselves and gave us this comfortable living and all the invaluable liberty we are enjoying today. Comrades, let's recollect our federation's glorious history. Our staff federation has its birth in the days of colonialism. In early times, the Bank of Bengal in 1806, the Bank of Bombay in 1840, and Bank of Madras in 1843 has its financial operations only for British presidency. In 1862, Government of India introduced the paper currency. The load of work for the bank employee has become a curse as he has to leave his home in the early hours to work and return at late hours with no proper working hours and leave rules. On 9th July 1920, these presidency banks, Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay and Bank of Madras, got amalgamated into Imperial Bank of India. Staff Association was formed as the first ever organization for working class in Imperial Bank of India. Subsequently, Imperial Bank of India Indian Staff Union was formed at Madras, which was later registered on 25th September 1948 under the Trade Union Acts 1926 as Imperial Bank of India Indian Staff Union. Later, these two unions of Kolkata and Madras formed the Imperial Bank of India Staff Federation on 23rd October 1947 at Madras, when it was felt that a strong federation had become absolutely necessary to safeguard the rights of the employees of the Imperial Bank of India. The comrades of Bombay Circle also joined the federation in the month of September 1948. Consequent to the change in nomenclature of Imperial Bank of India into State Bank of India on 1st July 1955 by a special enactment of State Bank of India Act 1955, the name of federation was also changed as All India State Bank of India Staff Federation. Comrades, born as small organization in 1947, the All India State Bank of India Staff Federation was formed with Comrade Jyoti Ghosh as General Secretary and Comrade Saumendranath Tagore as its President. After 21 days historic strike in 1960, the word bilateralism paved the way, and subsequently the bipartite settlement of wages started in 1967. Nationalization of banks has posed challenges and bestowed enormous responsibility and urged us to form an impregnable collective force of unions in our country. Our apex level organization, rechristened as National Confederation of Bank Employees in 1979. Which was initially formed as National Union of Bank Employees on 26th January 1970, is the sole non-political and independent trade union at national level in the banking industry. The pivotal role played by NCBE in the wage revision negotiations since third bipartite fetched several benefits to the bank employees and brought several improvements in service conditions of the bank employees. Comrades, our federation has started its journey covering hardly about 1,000 employees. The federation now has grown into a powerful edifice with a membership strength of over 130,000. Our federation took major initiative in the formation of United Forum of Bank Unions comprising all the 5 workman unions and 4 officers associations in the banking industry to fight for the common cause of all employees of the banking industry. Comrades, bilateralism is the only mantra which our federation has imbibed in its victories against the exploitations of the management and could successfully got the justified wage revision settlements. Our federation has proudly claimed some immortal names of tall leaders as to the likes of Comrade Mohanlal Majumdar, Comrade Nirmal C. Chowdhury, Comrade P. Lakshmi Narsiya, Comrade K.K. Bandlish, Comrade Y. Tarakanath, Comrade P.K. Patnaik, Comrade Prakash Gangal, Comrade M.V. Murli, and the latest dynamic legendary Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish, the prodigy son of legendary K.K. Bandlish, at an young age of 46, became president of our federation in 2011 and took over as the general secretary and continuing to the till date. Comrade Sanjeev Kumar Bandlish, with stellar qualities of persuasion, maturity and magnanimity in winning the hearts of the affiliates of our staff federation. With these innate qualities, he has drawn close to the affiliates of NCBE and UFBU. The departure of Comrade M.V. Murli due to superannuation at a crucial juncture and at the time of trade union movement as a whole, in particular, the banking sector was under severe attack from the government and the management. Comrade Bandlish has shown formidable resistance to defeat the heinous designs of the government and safeguarded the banking workforce. One of such an attempt is the demonetization came in. As a rude shock to the bankers, where a sudden decision has created a panic and lot of stress and strain in the employees. Comrade Bandlish, with his assertive approach, smooth sailed the entire episode of demonetization successfully. Yet another challenge was the mergers of associate banks and Bharatiya Mahila Bank in State Bank of India. Merger of human resources was a big challenge to the management on that day. But the untiring efforts of Comrade Bandlish has brought thousands of employees of erstwhile associate banks into the fold of our federation. Around 28,000 members of other unions in the erstwhile associate banks have joined our union post-merger. Our federation has secured several benefits and facilities. Here are the prominent ones. Overtime during demonetization, reduction eligibility criteria for career progression, online inter-circle transfers, extending career progression and other allowances to erstwhile associate bank employees, 100% medical reimbursement for dependent families, additional 15 diseases have been included in domiciliary treatment, removal of penury norms in ex gratia, introduction of bereavement leave, sub-staff promotion to record keeper and Grahak Mitra, reduction in interest rate of various staff loans. Comrades, last but not the least, clinching of 11th bipartite settlement is one of the greatest achievements in the banking industry. During the entire process of wage settlement, he played a stellar role in resolving several tricky and complicated issues between IBA and EFBU. He is the person who has steered the proceedings after taking into confidence of all the constituents of EFBU and made the IBA's meager offer of 2% to 15%.
बार बार हम यही कहा करते थे कि हमें नए साथियों की जरूरत है, नए खून की जरूरत है, नए जोश की जरूरत है। तो आज हमारे पास वो जोश भी है और आज हमारे पास लीडरशिप का वो होश भी है कि जिसका मिक्सचर इस भारत सरकार और आईपीए के ऊपर बहुत भारी पड़ने वाला है। जिंदाबाद 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 जिंदाबाद। मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद IBM मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद। जय सरकार होश में आओ, जय सरकार होश में आओ। Bellatone 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 visible இருந்தால் வேலை நிறுத்தம் வங்கி எழுப்பி கைவிட கோரி സർക്കാർ നീതിപാലിക്കുക നന്നായി ഇല്ലാതാക്കാൻ
पहले भी हम जीते थे, आगे भी हम जीतेंगे, पहले भी हम जीते थे, करेंगे जीतेंगे, संघर्ष करेंगे जीतेंगे, छीन के लेंगे अपना हक, छीन के लेंगे अपना हक।
EFBU के जयवागले 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 EFBU जयवागले जयवागले जयवागले।
जिंदाबाद 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 जिंदाबाद। EFBU marchand 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 EFBU marchand 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 EFBU marchand marchand marchand। कमेंट मंडली से आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो, कमेंट मंडली से आगे बढ़ो।
Over and above, during this COVID-inflicted pandemic state of entire world, getting due share to his working community will be a hall of fame for the past and future generations.
I congratulate you, each one of you who have come here in this Corona pandemic also, just to sign this agreement, and lot of memories you will take it to your people. You will tell them how and in what circumstances we have achieved this agreement.
Providing of 9th stagnation increment, stagnation increments preponement, changes in disciplinary proceedings in class 5J, pan-India applicability of HRA are the important landmark achievements for this 11th bipartite settlement. Comrades, it is the appropriate time to rededicate ourselves to the cause of the members, and it is the time we must resolute and express our love, affection, faith and trust as a token of giving back for what they have given us. It is our bounden duty and obligatory responsibility to strengthen the hands of our leadership and thereby the federation, which will be a symbol of rights and duties. Comrades, let's unite and express, none of us is as strong as all of us. None of us is as strong as all of us. Unity is strength. Unity is strength.